Tonight we are honoring our election officers, and I am thrilled that we are going to recognize them for all the work they do. One of the things they do, of course, is they have to have training from us. After the training, then they have to put everything they have been taught into practice on election day. It's a long, long day. It's about 14 to 16 hours. We really appreciate that they are that dedicated, making sure that democracy works, making sure that we run a fair and equal for everybody election.
As we recognize you today for your commitment and hard work, I would like to challenge you to recruit more election officers. You're the ones who are in the trenches, and you're the ones who know what that experience is like.
We will recognize those for 10, 15, 20, up to 40 elections that they've participated in. You know, in Fairfax County, we have a lot of elections. We have elections every year, and so we're always looking for election officers. We're always trying to help them. It's important for people to look and be interested in being election officers.